What's up guys, Chigz here from Chigz Tech Reviews. Now in this box in front of me I have the AmpliFi HD, which is a Wi-Fi mesh router kit. Now you're probably thinking, I already have a router, how is this any different and what is a mesh router? Well, traditional routers rely on wired or wireless access points to connect a user. In a mesh network, the connection is spread among hundreds of wireless mesh nodes that can share the network connection across a larger area. So in other words, this router will give you the best Wi-Fi connection possible anywhere in your house or office. So without further ado, let's just get it out of the box and see what it looks like. So this is everything you get in the box, beginning with your user manual or startup guide. You've got an Ethernet cable. You have a power socket with a USB-C connection. You get two AmpliFi mesh points. So these are like access points. You plug that into the wall and this will extend the Wi-Fi connection. And once you get this all set up, you'll be able to cover 20,000 square foot in your property. So that is pretty impressive. Now last but not least, the router itself. Look how nice that looks. You've got an LCD screen on the front and your ports on the back. So on the back you have 5 Ethernet ports, 1 USB port and a USB-C port for your power. So the popularity of Wi-Fi is now so common in everyday life, each household must have at least 20 devices that connect to your home router at the same time. Another problem is dense walls, metal and concrete substructures, and other issues which cause Wi-Fi not to work in certain areas of your home. For example, my parents cannot get Wi-Fi in their bedroom and it has something to do with dense walls. A Wi-Fi range extender or a repeater works quite well, and that's what I'm currently using, but you only get half of the bandwidth speed from the main router, so not a great performance. Well, this router can solve all your problems. Now these mesh routers are generally quite expensive, especially as they are still quite new technology and many people do not know that these exist. So that's why I decided to make this video. The prices range from £200 to £1,000. I picked up this model, the AmpliFi HD, and it cost around £360, so definitely not cheap. But I invested in this to show you guys what it can do. Also, the AmpliFi HD is supposed to be one of the easiest ones to set up, and you can control everything from a smartphone app, so no PCs or computers needed. Meanwhile, if you're running a business, office or someone who demands the best Wi-Fi connection in their home, then this is a serious option to consider. So I'm going to get this all set up and show you what it's all about. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just plugged the power in. So this blue Ethernet cable is running directly off the existing router and it just plugs into the blue port on the back of this one. Now I've downloaded the app. Now all I'm going to do is click setup. And it tells you exactly what to do step by step with pictures, and I've done all of that. Okay, so it says setup required. Let's click on that. Please wait. Connecting to the router. So everything's going to be automated basically. The process is going to be very simple. So that's it. I've connected to the router and I'll just show you the options. Okay, so now it says name your wireless network, create your password. I'm going to call it Chigz AmpliFi and I'm going to put my password in. Okay, that's configuring. It's telling me on the screen there an update is available. I don't know if I can focus on that and show you. So it says there, remote access, control your AmpliFi system from anywhere using your social account. So this is what the setup looks like. I haven't added any of these mesh points yet, but I will do so in a bit. So this is what the setup looks like. There are new updates available. It gives you your reception for both of these mesh points, which I haven't connected yet, but I'm just going to test it without them at the moment. Now at the bottom it tells you how many clients or how many people are actually connected to the router, and you can see it's just one, and that's me. If I click there, it says the Galaxy S8, which is this phone, and it's connected via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So you got access control there, so you can hit the pause button and you can disable the internet on certain devices, which is quite good. It gives you more information on your speeds. It gives you real-time speed information. I'm just running a quick speed test. So you can see the results of the speed test at the bottom. It says 25 megabytes per second download and 7.9 upload. It gives you all the information you need in real time, which is quite good. Guest information, start, stop, always on, etc. Access control. Definitely very easy to set up and manage. Now the internet is already working from this router and I can show you it working by opening up YouTube, okay, and just playing one of my new videos. So there you go. As you can see, the internet is fully working right now. directly from this router. Setting it up was dead easy. All you got to do is plug this in directly to your existing router, and all the information will be picked up automatically. Open the app and set your passwords and username, and that's it. You can plug in these access points anywhere around your house, and it will basically boost the signal you're getting from this box around your house, and you'll have a great Wi-Fi connection from anywhere. Now, just to show you how it works, I'll plug one in right here in this room, just to show you guys what to expect. So I plugged in one of these mesh points into the room. It's in the same room here behind me. It took around 2 minutes to pick up, but it automatically got picked up. So you can see over here on the left hand side, it says a mesh has been connected. It gives you the reception. It even tells you which band it's connected to, be it 2 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. So if I go back, you can see one is connected and one is not. So now I'm going to plug this mesh point in on the ground floor of this property all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to see if this gets picked up automatically. I'll be right back. So I plugged in that other mesh point 3 floors down. It's the ground floor, and after 2 minutes it got picked up, and here it is. And you can see it's also set on 5 gigahertz. It's telling. So there you have it, guys. That was my new mesh router setup, the AmpliFi HD. My broadband connection is actually 40 megs. I'm working from the top 3rd floor of this property, and before using this mesh router I was barely getting 20 megs, and that was based on single band Wi-Fi, and I was using a small repeater and power line, and still the connection was terrible, especially when everyone in the house is sharing this connection. After doing some research, I came across this product. Yes, it's expensive, but no matter who is using the net, I can now get up to 30 megs in this room with a 5 gigahertz connection. I can manage the network from my phone, and when connecting to Wi-Fi, it seems much faster to connect, and everything feels really fast in operation, almost like it's been amplified. For me personally, this is perfect, worth every penny, as I need it for business purposes. Uploading and downloading is now much quicker for me. I absolutely love the design, incredible build quality, and appreciate how simple this is to set up and manage. And with that being said, I'll leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.